teacher asked me to stay after class.
I'm really upset, you know? I even thought you ignored me.
I understand, Naya. I truly didn't mean to make you angry. Please forgive me, Naya.
Well. Okay.
Thank you, Naya, for forgiving me.
No problem. Let's just grab